Hello everyone. Today, I will introduce the new products of Herolaser, the 8th generation plastic handheld welding head. First of all, let me introduce its advantages. Plastic appearance, which adopt ergonomic design. The overall weight is about 10% less than that of the last generation handheld head. The grip part is combined with soft and hard glue. It will be lighter and more comfortable to use. The box is equipped with a temperature safety monitoring system. Monitor the temperature inside the handheld head in real time. This handheld head can support 3 kW. It can be applied to all of the handheld laser welding machines. Its focusing and protection module adopts a clamshell drawer design. If you need to replace or check the focus protection lens, first open the dust cover. You will see two windows: protective lens and focus lens. You can open it when you check it. After checking, just press it back. Then close the dust cover and it will be completed. Installation method of collation lens. Due to the integrated design of collation lens and QBH, loosen the 3 gimme screws at the beginning and end, then pull out the QBH head. You can pull out the alignment lens. It ensures the small size of the gun body. At the same time, it is also convenient to replace lenses. Now we can show the welding sample. You can see the weld is very beautiful.